I'm going to walk you guys through the process. This actually works. It's super insane. So just keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you. Hey guys, so if you like to play the game Baseball 9, I'm going to show you a Baseball 9 hack. So as you can see, we're low on money, but we have a button we will press to add free gems. So I'm going to turn this up right here, just so you guys can see. There we go. So now they should start increasing. So let's see if it goes up. And you can see right here the values on the Baseball 9 account. Nothing to talk about. But I don't do videos anymore, but I had to share this one because look at that. Look at the resources. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Baseball 9 hack for your device. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to download it. It's super cool, guys. So if you're someone that is active in the Baseball 9 community, then you know what it's like to be broke on Baseball 9. So the first step is going to be going to the browser, and we're going to type in tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in right here. So when you're on TweakMod, you're going to see a number of apps. So one of them is going to be Baseball 9. So press install, and before it downloads, there will be a verification. So we just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it's loading up right now. You can see the Apple and Android logos. So let's just give it a second for this to load, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it's loading. All right. So now it's going to take us to that verification step, and we're literally just going to have to download 2 of the apps, and we should be good to go. All right. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download some of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but you can see like Travel Town, the lucky match says reach level 13. So yeah, just try it out. I'll see you guys later, but you can see all the apps here. Mode Casino. So make sure, guys, when you're doing this, that you have the background app refresh turned on. But other than that, you should be good to go. So let me just show you guys background app refresh. This should be on at all times, but other than that, you should be good to go, guys. So I'm going to see you later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get Baseball 9 hack for your device. So that's the website, guys, tweakmod.com, where you can do this. It's super cool. But I'm going to see you guys later. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super awesome, and it fully works. So if this tutorial works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I haven't had any problems with this whatsoever. But yeah, it's super cool, and it's fully updated and everything. So you guys should have no issues doing this in 2026. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, and peace out.